You very excited for tonight? Well, good.
Tell Santa you've been a good girl.
I've been a good girl.
What? I'm sorry?
I've been a good girl.
I've seen you've been a good little girl. My elves just told me that you're on the very nice list.
Oh. Say, are you bringing me what I asked for?
Are you bringing me what I asked for?
Oh, you better believe I am. I see.
So, I'm guessing that the special gift is the hamster that I asked for.
I don't think you can bring live animals.
I don't think you can bring an animal.
Santa can't bring live animals around the reindeer. Rudolph doesn't like that.
Oh. What was your other one that you asked for?
A big girl bike.
A big girl bike, yes it is. And what color would you like? Blue, pink, or purple?
Oh, he even knows your favorite colors.
Are those your favorite colors?
Yeah. I would like a pink purple one.
Well, I've got a very special color for you.
Oh, that's
Say
nice.
thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I see you love horses.
I do.
Good, and you want to be a veterinarian, don't you?
A horse veterinarian.
You knew that too.
That's right. Santa knows all, doesn't he?
Say you love him.
Melania,
What?
I see you just turned 6 years old.
I know.
Is he gonna visit your?
Very good.
Is he gonna visit your brother and sister?
Are you gonna visit my brother and sister?
I sure am, and I'm going to bring them very special gifts.
Okay. Say thanks for calling me, Santa.
We know you're busy.
Thanks for calling me, Santa.
Well, you're very welcome. I call all the special little girls that have been very nice all year. And I'm going to have to go now, but I want you to do me a really big favor, Apollonia.
What's that?
What's that?
Well, when it's time to go to bed, I need you to get tucked in and go to sleep. And no peeking.
No peeking, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Well, you have a Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
And
Thank you.
Okay, I'll be by tonight. Ho, ho, ho.
Tell him be safe.
Be safe.
Bye-bye, Apollonia.
Bye-bye, Santa. Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Cool.
How neat was that?